Hi guys, my name is James Eugene, the window expert. Alright, on this video I just want to show you how to place sticker on a glass. Sometimes shower cubicle, windows, any type of glass that you want to put a sticker on. This is how to do it without having to look for a professional. You can actually do this yourself in your homes, anywhere. Alright, so watch out and let me show you how to do it. All right, the first thing to do is to get water like this and put a bit of money fresh inside or any detergent at all you have. Just put it inside and make it foam like this. Okay. And when you do that, you will now wash the glass just to ensure that there is no stain or stone attached to the glass. All right. So you wash like this. Then after you wash the glass, you've got to peel this from this one. This is the main sticker. So you will peel it off. And while doing it, do it very careful. Very, very careful. Okay. You can even pour water like this just to ensure that it is straight and not sticking on each other. Okay. Now you turn it and peel off this one. Peel this one off. All right. So this is it. This is the main sticker. All right, follow me. Let's go and stick it. All right, after pouring the water, then you place it. You place it. Place it on the glass. Okay. Come closer so that you will see it very, very well. Give me the water. Are you seeing it? And the essence of this water I'm pouring now is to make it easy to control. Right? I want to adjust it. The water will make it easy for me to adjust before I will now cut. Okay, so you've got to do this just to ensure that all these bubbles. All right, then you use this knife. You can even use razor if you can't find this knife, you can use razor and then cut off these parts. All right guys, this is the finishing. As you can see how beautiful it is. Okay, this is how the client wants it to be. He doesn't want us to put anything here. So as you can see the inside, this is the complete shower cubicle and the sticker is looking awesome. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please follow us on this channel, subscribe and like and share. All right, thank you so much. I will look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you once again.